This morning you are going to have a go at a few pieces. You're going to have a go at these rail supports. There's 4 on the bottom and there's 4 at the top, and you're going to have a go at making the base from the pre-cut piece. What you'll have to do is you'll have to drill in the place for the candle to sit. I'm going to start with the rails. So what I'm going to do is use some of the off-cut material. I'm going to measure from one of the square ends. If you need to sand it, help yourself. I'm going to measure 60mm, mark a point, get my tri-square, mark across to help me cut straight, and then I'm going to hold it against my vise. Now, because this material is quite small, the trick is to keep a good hold of that with your spare hand. Hold it in my bench hook in my vise, I take my tensor saw and I just do exactly what I've done before, go backwards and forwards as straight as I can. Now if you see on there I actually haven't cut down to line, that's fine, just go on the sander, sand it off, and you need 8 of those. What you'll then need to do is collect your base material, and the first thing to do is to take your ruler and draw a line from one corner to the diagonal corner across. What you'll then need to do is repeat from the other corner. What that does is it will find the centre of the square base, and it's there that I need to drill. When I drill, I'm trying to drill about halfway down, and it's about halfway down the depth of the cutter. So what I mean by halfway down the depth of the cutter is about where my fingernail is now, about 1 centimetre down. I bring it in, put it into the machine vise, tighten the machine vise, and I line it up. The best way to do that is to get the centre point of the force nibble, which has already been set up in the centre. Hold that securely with your left hand, bring it on with the right, use your handle to bring it down. And what will happen is it will make a little bit of sawdust. Just lift it up every so often, just to clear it out. We'll have to put a little bit of pressure on and just check how far you're going down. If you want to measure, you can, but I'm just going to look at it by sight, turn it off when you're happy, just don't go all the way through. Once you've created that, you can then start assembling your pieces.